up with Miss Electra, and it is 2018. I want to wish you guys a very happy, healthy new year. 2018 is going to be good. So I haven't posted a video. I didn't put my Christmas house tour up because we were all very, very sick. It was like so bad and kind of depressing. I didn't get to do a lot of my videos. It was like all of us got sick, all 5 of us. So it was really, really bad. And plus, you know, my knee is getting better, but it's hurting. I was depressed from my knee, and then we all got sick. But yeah, so the end of 2017 was, I don't want to say bad, but a little challenging. Let's use that word. So, yeah, because we don't want to use too many negative words. We don't want to send too many negative words out in the universe, guys. All right, so 2018 is going to be good. And 2018 for me is I want to, 2018 is, for me, is going to be I want to do more, I guess. So I want to do more. That's it. I don't want to procrastinate whatever I want. You know, I know it changes from month to month and that, but whatever I want to do, I want to just do it. It's even with the videos. It's always I want to do a lot of videos and then I just don't. So for me, it's just do it this year. And in other word that I came across, someone had posted, you know, the word soft. So I want to be soft this year. Anyway, the word soft, if you look it up, it's a very good meaning. So that's what I want. I like soft, you could be able to be mold, to make yourself what you want, you know, change or whatever. Anyway, if that makes any sense. And soft was a very good word. Like you want to be soft with everything. You want to be soft in your heart. You want to be soft-spoken. You want to be soft towards people. So soft was a very, very good word choice that I think was so great for me. So soft it's going to be this year. I want to be soft with everything, soft with myself, soft spoken towards people. So soft is a good word. But anyway, I want to be soft, but I want to do what I say. If I want to do a video, I'm going to just do it. Like, don't procrastinate, I guess. So we'll see, but I am not going to put so much pressure. And I find that every month, like, we ask for different things and we want different things. So that's how I see it. I don't want to say for the whole year because that's why I, every day I have a new list. Like people make, so like I was saying, every day my list changes. So I don't do that good with planners. Like people plan it out from Monday because I see myself by Wednesday, I want and I need different things, if that makes any sense. Like I like to do a planner, like kind of like plan ahead, but then I always have another little piece of paper for every day what needs to be done, you know, if it makes sense. Because every day as a mom, you know, as a woman, it does change and our needs are different, I find it. Like if I say Monday, I'm going to do Wednesday this, it really sometimes doesn't work for me. So I always got to have a little to-do, you know, I always have a little to-do paper that is my daily to-do because it does change. You know, I could do 1 or 2 that I had set in my planner, but by 2 days, even 1 day, things do change and I need to write it down. So I always have, you know, like either a little book, you know, like a little notepad or a little list pad, and then I just write it down and I make sure to do that in the day. That works good for me. But anyway, so this is going to be a good year, guys. So this is going to be the first haul of the year. So let me get in and show you what I got from Target and from Target Dollar Spot. All right, it was all Valentines. It was cute. I think last year I felt like I liked the Target Dollar Spot a lot better, the things they had. I wasn't that, you know, happy with everything, but I did pick up some things and it's a lot of heart related. So my daughter's room is like all hearts. So whatever I don't really use, I like, because I have like a heart collage wall. So whatever hearts I don't use, I put in her heart collage wall. So anyway, let me get in and let me show you what I picked up. Okay, let me just start with the straws. How cute are these straws? They're like see-through and they have like glitter. Can you guys see? They have like glitter in it. So cute. Dollr. And then I picked up these hearts. These are really cute. I just like them, the stir sticks. And I like their plastic because you can wash them and then reuse them next year. And then these that say love. I like that because I can make a hot cocoa bar for Valentine's Day or do a bar cart, which I still haven't found a bar cart that I like. That's like weird, right? I know I'm so picky about the bar cart because I want it to look like kind of like rustic-y and farmhouse kind of. I haven't found what I was looking for, but hopefully soon I will. All right. And then I found this cute little, we opened it up, hearts, a tic-tac-toe. So I like it because you can leave it on the table and the kids can have something to play with during the Valentine's holiday. And then I picked up these hearts. This one you can DIY. You could put stuff on this. I don't know if I'm going to keep this red. I may make this white or a pink to suit my daughter's room, but I like this. And then you can actually DIY something, which I think this is really cute, and it's a very good size, and it's really heavy, and it's like real wood. They had little ones. Look how cute these little ones are. I just love them. They're real wood, pretty heavy. So this one's pretty too. They had this wooden XOXO. They had other ones, but I picked this one. This is gonna probably go in my daughter's room after Valentine's Day. Super cute. Valentine's Day things, I find you can decorate, you know, your daughter's room or even like a baby's nursery with all the pinks and the hearts. So I like to utilize those stuff in that way, you know, instead of just finding storage for them. All right, and this heart, this one's pretty, it's wood. They had one that had a pink too. I should have got the pink because that would have suited better her room. But like I said, you can DIY these, you could change the color, and it's great because it's real wood. Then I picked up this wood. It's like a wood tray. You could paint it. You could leave it like this. You could put stuff, you know, in here related to Valentine's Day, or you can like kind of sit it up, but I don't know how you would sit it up. Like maybe like sideways like that. That would look pretty. So I like this because you can do a lot of stuff. You can make this like into a little shelf. Like if you're a DIYer. You know, I can even put this in my daughter's room and make it like a shelf. You know, put a little hook, even though it's sideways, but it's pretty. All right, so they had a lot of towels, kitchen towels, which they didn't have in my Target. I know I've seen a lot of hauls, but they didn't, so I only picked this up, which is great because me and my daughter been doing a lot of baking, which I didn't tell you guys, but we're making sugar cookies. We're trying to perfect making sugar cookies and with royal icing on top. Maybe I'll show you guys a video. So we've been doing a lot of that. And yeah, we're gonna take some online classes. So that's one of the things I wanna do for 2018, which we started already, but we gotta keep doing it. That's the magic word. Start, but you gotta keep. All right. So I love this rolling pin. It's XOXO. They had other ones, but I like this one. They had pillows. I only saw this one. This one's going in my daughter's room too. It's very pretty. I love it. And this little box, they didn't have a lot of things in my Target dollar spot. Maybe they took everything or they didn't bring in. I don't know what happened. But this one's really, really pretty. It's a box. This one is $1. Very pretty. It's gonna look pretty in her room too. And I picked up this mug. They had so many mugs, but my Target dollar spot didn't, but I didn't care. I just love this. Cupid is stupid. I just love the font, the little wings. You know, like I said, sometimes Cupid can be stupid, but I just love the way it looked. It was pretty big, so very cute. And then I got the napkins that go with it. Yeah, it was just, I thought this set was really, really cute. The napkins were so adorable with the scalloped edge. I don't know. I just thought this was really cute, and I like what it means too, because sometimes he is, you know. All right. So, and then I picked some things from the regular Target, which I thought they were cute. This one says XOXO. This smells really, really good. I think it's pineapple and pomegranate. So this one smells pretty. And then I bought this wreath. This wreath is really, really pretty. It's like really well made. This is from Threshold. This was a little expensive. It was $19.99, but look how pretty. So I don't know. I could put it in my front door. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but I love it, and it's very, very pretty. It's like pink, and then kind of like a dark pink. It's not even red. And then I got this from Threshold too, because if I do find a bar cart, I think this will go on my bar cart. Pray for me, guys, that I find a bar cart that I like. All right, so I found this. Look how pretty this is. Let me open it up to show you. So this is how this banner looks. They're like plush, and I like because it's like a deep dark red with the light pink. This is like a wine, but not really. In real life, it's not that dark. But look how pretty. So this was more for when I get a bar cart. That's what I envisioned. Let's see. And, you know, these go like together. I like this. These like go together. So I envisioned if I had a bar cart, this would go in the bar cart, which I am looking for because I want a bar cart. Because I want like a certain thing that I always style for the holidays because I like to style. So I want to have like, you know, that special, I guess, cart, and I can always, you know, I can always decorate it and put the candies and the cookies and whatever, you know. So that's what I'm trying to look for, something that I like. Seems very difficult. Something easy, it's seeming very difficult. I don't know why. But anyway. Oh, and before I forget, this candle right here that's lit, it's so pretty. I don't want to get burnt, but
just take it.
okay, this candle, look how pretty, guys. This one's from Threshold too, and this is from Target. This one's from Target too, but I just love it because it goes with my blanket and my pillows, but love it. All right, I'm gonna put this back now. So actually that's like my favorite find of Target this week, I guess. I should have got one more. I hope when I go back there, because I wanted to get two of them, maybe put them on my mantle. I don't know, but anyway, that's my favorite find from Target, I guess, this week. I got these from Dollar Tree. Look how cute. And they're really bright and they work really nice. So if you guys want this, go now, because I know these sell out really quick. I got two of them, and they are really bright. This is how they look when they're shut. So these are really cute. I just wanted to give you a quick find from Dollar Tree, which I thought was great. And these are really pretty, and these will look pretty around a mantle or on a bar cart or even in a tray. You can just like, and they can look pretty even in a tray. Hold on, let me just.
Oh my God.
Okay, look how pretty they look in a tray too, right? So these are really nice, and they're pretty, and you just leave them dangling, you know, out of a tray. I think that looks really pretty. So anyway, that's just like a little, I guess, tip or idea. All right, so that's it for this video. That's what I picked up from Target this week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more of my videos. I'm gonna start decorating for Valentine's Day and other decor, so stick around. I have a lot of videos in the making, so pray for me that I just do it. All right, so I wish you guys a very best 2018, and I hope to see you guys this whole year, and I hope you guys come along with me. And if you're new to my channel, just hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification button so you can get notified, and I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.